Well, I've got no listings. How do I generate leads? That's a dilemma. Well, fortunately for you in this video, that's exactly what we're going to talk about. How to generate leads when you have no listings. Hey there, it's Michael Creasy here, the Executive Editor with Agent Inner Circle from agentinnercircle.com, and welcome to this week's video. And by all means, in the comment section below, share with us what you do to generate leads when you have no listings. Maybe it's something that we can use and other agents will learn from. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you two very simple techniques that come from our three-step, as you can see it right here, three-step ultimate real estate success system. And one in particular, the compound prospecting system, has over 30 different systems that you can use at any given time that come with the postcards, the scripts, and everything you'll need to actually implement the systems. So let's get started. The first and easiest one, low-hanging fruit, open houses. Now I know what you're going to say, Michael, I don't have any listings. How can I do an open house? Well, within your office, I'll guarantee you there are other agents that have listings that would basically beg you to do open houses for them because they think that they are unproductive, they don't do anything, it's a waste of time. But the savvy realtor knows that A, you can generate buyer leads, but you can also potentially generate seller leads. Well, Michael, what do you mean by seller leads? Well, keep this in mind. Before a seller can buy, they have to sell their home first. So a lot of sellers go out and they do tours of open houses, A, to get a feel of what the market's like, get a feel for what their neighborhood is like pricing wise, but also they're auditioning potential realtors. That realtor could be you. So when they come into your open house, they want to see, is it professionally staged? Are there refreshments? Are you taking the time to ask people to sign in so strangers aren't wandering through a home? Remember this, from a seller's perspective, they want to know that their biggest investment is safe. Are you doing that? Did you use lots of directional signs to drive traffic there? Remember, a potential seller is there auditioning you as their potential agent. So they're looking for all these details. You're being auditioned, so keep that in mind. So a successful open house can generate buyer leads, but it can also generate seller leads. And that was done with no listings. Another thing you can do, which is one of my personal favorites, is sending out just listed and just sold postcards. I know what you're going to say, but Michael, the whole thing is I don't have listings. I know, but again, within your office, and that's one of the benefits of working in a real estate office, there are agents that probably have either just listed a property or have just sold a property, and they're probably not sending out postcards. So you need to get their permission to do so or ask your broker. But here's what you're going to do. It won't be the traditional just listed, just sold postcard that people literally take and throw in the garbage. No, no, no. The postcard that I'll share with you here is written in a direct response format, meaning that it has a captivating headline. It actually pulls the reader into the story. And yes, it's a story that captivates the person with a distinctive call to action. Now you can use this postcard, download it, and modify it. And when I say modify, just change the specific details like your name and the company name. But remember, it's already designed, ready to go, and it costs literally nothing. Just get some postcard stock and you can print this off in your office. So there's two really compelling and easy ways for you to start generating leads. And of course, check out what we're doing here at the 3 Steps Ultimate Real Estate Success System. It is a brilliant way for you to leverage the 3 pillars within your real estate career to actually grow your business. And you may not realize this, you only have 3 ways to generate a successful practice. One is generating cold leads, and you have to take those leads, incubate them, convert them from suspects into prospects. The second one is what we call compound prospecting, where you leverage the activities that you already have. How do I leverage my buyers, my sellers, and generate 2 or 3 leads for every one of them? And the third one is, how do I grow my business from my power list, the people that I've already done business with that know, like, and trust me? So once again, it's Michael Creasy here, the Executive Editor with Agent Inner Circle from agentinnercircle.com. Hope you found this video informative and helpful, and by all means, please share it.